how to change Facebook's language to English. I'm going to click down here on these three bars. After clicking, you'll come to this menu. In this menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Click here on this gear icon. When you click, a submenu will open here. In this submenu, click on the Settings option. Done. And now you're in this Settings and Privacy area, where you'll scroll down to the Preferences section. In the Preferences section, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the option to change the language. Just click here, okay? You can click on this option. Done. Here, as you can see, my Facebook account is in English. Here, you can change the Facebook buttons, titles, and other text within the app itself. You can also choose the language into which your posts can be translated. I'm going to click on this first option. When you click, it will show the Facebook app and you can click on it. You will come to this page, and on this page here you'll find the language option. Here, if you have another language selected, you will choose and click because you want to select the English option, okay? In my case, it's set to English. If yours is in Spanish, select the English option. In this case here, you change the language of the app itself. If you want to choose the language your post can be translated into, you click on this second option to change it, okay? So, that's how you do it. Here you have all the options. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.